Smokey, step aside. Diana, you're not the boss anymore. Stevie who? This is what America has been waiting for. The new face of Motown. J-Lo. Hello. Marvin. The Supremes. Gladys. Good night. We have the new face of Motown and urban America. This is what we've been waiting for. Someone so glamorous. Listen to her voice. Wow, that's all I can say. And the critics are loving it. Never have Motown been so great. The Four Tops? Who are they? Lionel, sorry. Al Green? He's turning blue right now. There's never been someone so extraordinary. J-Lo. The new face of urban America. Jermaine? Sorry. Rick James? What can I say? I know you guys tried. And I know many of you were great. And I mean, you could really sing. But no one has ever come close to the new face of Motown. J-Lo. New America is loving this new sound and look. Mary Wells, oh well. Tammy, so sorry. The new face of Motown and urban America, and we're not going back. It's a much brighter future. Brighter, no pun intended. A much brighter future. J-Lo.